Two Paths to the Divine, a Ganesha Chaturthi story. In a quiet village where the earth still breathes with rhythm and the sky opens wide, the morning of Ganesha Chaturthi begins not with noise, but with intention. On one side of the village, beneath the shade of a neem tree, a group of women gather. Their hands are full, not with tools, but with color. Powders of rice flour, turmeric, vermilion, and indigo rest in small bowls beside them. The ground is swept clean, and the first lines of a Rangoli begin to take shape. It is not just decoration, it is devotion drawn in curves and symmetry. Slowly, the image of Lord Ganesha emerges, his elephant head framed by lotus petals, his trunk curling in welcome. The women work in silence, broken only by soft laughter and the rustle of saris. Each stroke is a prayer, each color, a memory. They do not rush. They do not rehearse. This is tradition passed from mother to daughter, from heart to hand. As the sun climbs higher, the Rangoli glows, an offering not of wealth, but of care. Elsewhere in the village, the temple doors open. A small clay idol of Ganesha, painted in gentle hues and adorned with marigolds, is lifted by the smallest hands. Children, dressed in bright cotton clothes, gather around. Their eyes are wide, their voices eager. Gunpati Bappa Moria, they chant, their feet moving in rhythm, their joy uncontained. They carry the idol not with ceremony, but with love. It is a procession of innocence. The path to the lake is dusty, winding past fields and wells, but the children walk with purpose. Behind them, elders follow quietly, letting the young lead the way. It is said that Ganesha listens best to children, that their voices reach him without distortion. As the children walk, the women continue their Rangoli. Now the final touches are added, a crown of yellow, a border of green, a small diya placed at the center. The image is complete, but the devotion continues. They sit beside it, hands folded, eyes closed. The Rangoli is not meant to last, it will fade with time, swept away by wind or footsteps. But its spirit remains. At the lake, the children gather at the edge. The water is still, reflecting the sky and the trees like a mirror. They lower the idol gently, their voices softer now. The clay meets the water, and slowly, the form begins to dissolve. There is no sadness, only reverence. Ganesha came, stayed, and now returns to the earth. The cycle is complete. The women rise from their Rangoli, and the children watch the ripples fade. Two paths, two offerings, one drawn in powder, the other carried in arms. Both leading to the same truth, that devotion is not measured in grandeur, but in sincerity. In this village, Ganesha Chaturthi is not a spectacle, it is a rhythm. It is the quiet joy of creation, the gentle farewell of immersion, the shared breath of community. It is the women's art and the children's journey, unfolding side by side like verses of the same song. And as the day ends, the Rangoli fades and the idol disappears beneath the water. But something remains. A promise. A memory. A prayer. That next year, when the rains have passed and the earth is ready, Ganesha will return. And once again, the women will draw, the children will carry, and the village will rise in devotion.